Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if your touchscreen is not responding on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first, take off your screen protector or case if you're using any of this. As you can see, I don't have, so I won't be taking off because I have nothing to take off. Then the next thing is to clean your screen with a microfiber cloth that I have right here. So just clean your screen of any dust. Okay, now try power on your phone. As you can see, it is responding for me, but if it's not for you, then try to force restart your phone. So just click and hold the power on button and the volume button at the very center. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.